What's up? How's it going?
What's going on? As long as you can check it. Okay. You can open, okay? Okay. You open.
And then called me, was like, hey, for the thing, you know, you don't have to, that looks good. I just told this man that, oh, it looks good. I just be lying, bro. Like, I gotta stop lying.
No, I know it's good, but if you want to check.
I mean, nothing looks, because it's all poly. No, I should be good. Good. Do not break. No, I think this is good. Yeah, because it's all poly anyway. It's plastic. Yeah, it should be fine. I'm happy with that. Someone get this lying off the internet. So as you see, I have received my rear bumper from ICB Motorsports. If you're an avid viewer of the channel, you guys know I order all my FD2 parts from Dept, Japan. That is the best place to get all of your FD2 JDM needs. Bro is reliable, he's honest. I'll never do this again. But we do have the package. Yep, do not break down pallet, fragile. Don't break it down, but break it. Literally. Just don't break it down. Just break it. I didn't do this. This is how it showed up, as you guys seen in the footage. But as long as the bumper is good, we should be good. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the OEM bumper. I'm gonna give you guys a look. I did this before, but so this is how the OEM bumper looks. This is the OEM 8th Gen SI. Look at the booty. Look at the booty. See how far the exhaust stick out? Oh, you will see why though. But yeah, this is OEM. And we're going to, even though it has this crazy glory hole Hulk smash, we're gonna just, I guess, break down the pallet. It's not the best angle, but it's something, right? Now, I was told this bumper comes championship white already. Now, from the looks of it, it looks like it's a championship white. Here's the part number in case you guys want to buy your own. Part number right there. Tattle-ow, baby. In case you're curious on how much I paid or how much you would have to pay for this, there you go right there, brother. $11.30 shipped to your door for a rear bumper. That's OEM. It's crazy.
That's some artistic shit.
Leave it up to me, bro. I filmed this whole entire clip in S&Q mode. Basically, I'm just showing you what you got to do to remove the bumper if you never removed the bumper on an 8th Gen before. On the side, you have 2 Phillip head screws, and then on the back bumper where it mounts to the chassis, you have 2 5mm hex head screws. And then you just want to remove it and then put the new one on. Bro, I feel like, why do I do YouTube, bro? I'm just be tripping. I be failing. I be tripping. I'm hungry, bro. It is 10:06 p.m. July 16th as I'm editing this video, and I haven't ate yet. I'm hungry. What did y'all eat for dinner? Let me know. Comment down below what you ate for dinner, and if you haven't ate dinner, go ahead and hit the like button. That'd be greatly appreciated. All right, I'm gonna fuck with y'all. Of course, I was filming that in S&Q mode, but basically, I'm not even gonna do voiceover work. I have the rear diffuser that I picked up from the homie Thomas, who then picked up from the homie Vic Wavy. Now that I recall from watching Vic's video, these uses the clips, which I actually do have. So it should be a simple process to install. I think it's all just clips really. One there, one there, one there. I think there's a screw here. I think he has one on that side. Oh, he don't. He has one screw there, but I think I should have these screws too. But yeah, looks simple. Before I attach the rear bumper and the diffuser, I have to remove the OEM diffuser. This thing right here. This is Honda's OEM diffuser. The 8th gen does have active aero, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this, and then I should be solid to install everything. Can't wait. So you have a push pin there, 10 mil there, 10 mil, 10 mil, push, push, and that's removed. And now we're able to install our front bumper. I mean rear bumper. It's too hot, bruh. I call for reinforcements. Alright, so that side's a pain in the ass. This side's easy to go on. Look at that. You see the difference, bruh? Do you see the difference? You see how thick this thing is? God. That championship white is money. Now, the only issue with the fitment is right here. Like, I think it has something to do more with the bracket itself than... Probably gotta swap out that bracket. I think it's the bracket, bro. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's the bracket. It might just be the bracket. But it's on. Now to attach the rear diffuser. Alright, rear diffuser, let's put it on. Alright, voiceover part dos, amigos. So what I have to do right here is obviously clip on the diffuser. So I'm showing you my little Amazon clips. I have a link down in the description box below. Hopefully it's an affiliate link so I can start getting paid. I be selling myself mad short, bro. I could be eating off this, but I don't be doing no affiliate marketing. But I have some screws, put some screws in. I'm gonna cut that clean across and I should be good. And there you have it, folks. FD2 rear bumper and diffuser is on. Only thing I have to do really is just put 2 screws to hold up the bumper on the side panel. But yes, you do have to trim this right here. I just cut it across on the where the rear tow hook is, because the FD2 rear tow hook is centered differently, I believe, than this. Like, it's something different with that in comparison to this one. But everything is secured. Now my issue, well, this won't be an issue for long because the homie Brian's gonna be making me V-banded axle back to where I can have this exactly where I want it. Get rid of the fart cannon and just run like a nice straight pipe back. Pause. So that's what's gonna be happening very soon. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that FD2 rear is just so money, bro. Oh, I get the car painted next month, guys. Next month. Today is a new day. We have sun outside. Today is actually Tuesday for Talk That Talk Tuesday. But it looks like I'm going to be uploading this video on a Tuesday. I know you guys been missing the Talk That Talk Tuesdays. I promise I'm going to drop them. I just have to make sure the videos are actual of stuff that I want to talk about and not just to make it. Because I want to actually put effort and actually not prove points, but like, you know, it ain't just BS videos. You get what I'm saying? So comment down any discussion topic things you guys want me to talk about for a Talk That Talk episode, and we should get that done. I'm also gonna look into Fiverr, see if I can get like an intro made, like make it like an actual cool show where I can bring people on, like via people, as in like I'll create whatever the hell. I just be rambling. But right now I'm finna pick up Randy, then we're gonna shoot over to Power Rev Racing, aka P2R, pick up a part. And then we're gonna hit the gym, and then I'll probably close out this video with some cinematics and all that fun stuff. Maybe see if, I don't know, we'll figure it out. You guys can see it in sunlight. Oh, that looks so good. Oh, that looks so good. Dang, that Champ White looks money, baby. All right, let's get out of here.
What the fuck, bro?
Anytime.
Should probably at Sean's house.
Right now, I've lost the headphones, so we're gonna have a booty workout. The homie Brian, my fabricator, welder, right there with his Integra right there. Yeah, no, I probably should start filming with more context, but yeah. Hey, enjoy the cinematic though. So this is the muffler that I picked up that's going to be replacing my Skunk 2 from the homie Sean over at P2R, which if you don't know, I do media work for. So all the P2R videos that you guys watch, if you do watch J-Series content, I film and edit that. Isn't that cool? So this is the exhaust, well, the muffler that I picked up from him. Look at that. P2R branding, polished 3-inch exhaust, well, muffler. That's going to be replacing the Skunk 2. And like I showed you guys at the gym, the homie Brian, who's my fab guy, he's going to be taking this off. We're going to get rid of this completely. So if anyone's interested in my Skunk 2 muffler, let me know. I'll sell it to you for cheap. We're going to cut this off, angle it, and I'm going to have like a 45-degree down. So I'm going to have two exhausts, essentially two mufflers. I'm going to have a full straight pipe, pause, axle back, and then I'm gonna have a muffled turn down. So if I ever go to a track and it has a sound ordinance and it's too loud, then I'll slap back on the muffled turn down. And then when I want to be a little ricey boy, I have my full turn down, but it'll be without the muffled system. So it'll just be like a straight pipe back. My OCD is kicking in bad. I hate how it's not like centered. The exhaust in actual JDM FD2s, like Type Rs, the exhaust is more angled than FA5. You would have to go to an exhaust shop and have them cut and angle to where it's actually angled correctly and exiting properly. I think the next Civic video, aside from me beating the hell out of it for a YouTube video, the next Civic video would be like a exhaust style video. So that should be pretty cool. But all in all, that's it. Look how nice that was. Bro, the FD2 bumper is just, oh, it's money, bro. It's literally money. Look how the car gets painted in like 3 weeks. I'm excited, bro. This car's gonna be all one color. Oh, my car gonna look beautiful. Beautiful. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Pretty much it. And well, we have reached the end of the video. I'm sorry this video was probably not my best. This was actually supposed to be like a just quick upload just to show that I got the FD2 rear bumper. Due to this weekend, I'll be in Nashville for Import Alliance. Bro, I will be in Nashville for Import Alliance. Let me say it one more time in case you didn't hear me. I will be in Nashville for Import Alliance. So bring me hot wings, bring me anything. I hope to see all my Tennessee homies and all you lint lickers up there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, go ahead and disrespect that like button for your boy by liking it. That'll help me out. I think that's what YouTubers be saying. Does the like button really help y'all out? Like, I feel like it does, cause like if you have a lot of likes on your video, then like maybe it'll reach to different audiences. But I mean, bruh, at this point, if you gotta sit, bruh, fuck it. But thank you guys for watching nonetheless. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy the video, then come back for more. You know what I mean? I'll be sure to, ooh, FD2 bumper is on. Bro, it looks so good. I'm gonna have the exhaust properly situated here soon. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. But other than that, if you're in Tennessee or surrounding areas, make it out to Import Alliance this weekend. I will be there, bro. I have my own little booth where you guys, not booth, but my little station where you guys can come say what up to your boy. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and stay up to date for all that cool stuff. And I'm sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.